This is the Marine Outboard Engine 2-stroke Cutaway Educational Trainer. It is made from a real OEM 2-stroke outboard engine and cut open to reveal its internal construction. The trainer shows the cylinder block, pistons, connecting rods, crankshaft and port layout, allowing students to see the main differences from a 4-stroke design. The cutaway sections expose the scabbing and exhaust flow paths, making it easy to explain how fresh air fuel mixture enters the cylinder and pushes out exhaust gases in a single revolution. Cooling water jackets and lubrication points are visible, helping illustrate how the engine is cooled and lubricated in marine operation. The fuel system, including the carburetor or injection components and the ignition system with spark plugs and coil, are clearly displayed for identification and teaching purposes. The lower unit is also sectioned to show the gearbox, clutch and propeller shaft, demonstrating how engine power is transmitted to the propeller. This trainer provides a safe, hands-on way to study the construction and working principles of 2-stroke outboard engines, ideal for technical and vocational marine engine training.